Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out these beautiful wall sconce lights from Joe Fios. Thank you so much to the brand for sending them to me to try out. One of the things I love about their products is that they're super simple to assemble, or in this case, no assembly needed at all. So with each box, this is a twin pack, so you're going to have two of the wall sconces, and I'll show you how that looks in a minute. And they also send you two USB charger cables because these are rechargeable and you're not going to have a power cord. You don't have to worry about batteries. They send you the hardware to hang it on the wall. And here's the really cool thing. They use my favorite type of wall hanging. Now if you can see this, maybe if I bring it closer. So this is what's called a French cleat. Those of us in woodworking world know what that is. So I really like that they're using this to mount things on the wall. It makes things so much easier. So what you're going to do is put your screws through there onto the wall like this. And then see this lip on the back? Okay, so this is your wall sconce. And this is your French cleat that's going to go on the wall. And so the French cleat's going to be hanging on the wall like this. And then this little indentation here is going to slide right on top of that. Can you see how that works? Let me get one mounted so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I have it mounted on the wall. It's very cool. It was a super easy mount. Like I said, it just goes onto the French cleat and hangs there. It comes with the remote, and look at the color change. How cool is that? Love these. I can't wait to gift them to my grandsons who are gamers. I know they're going to love playing with the different colored sconce lights in their rooms, but I could also see these being in the background for a YouTuber. It would give you lots of different options. I really like these. Thanks for watching.